I want to hone in on the data sovereignty crisis, because that, to most leaders and thinkers on the continent, is the most worrying. Only 2% of African data is processed on the continent itself. Like, look at that figure. 98% is processed outside of Africa. So what happens is we sell or give up our data. It is processed externally, repackaged at a premium, and then sold back to us at a significant price tag. So this is a digital echo of historic resource extraction patterns. Colonial mining of data 2.0 is how we can see this, and it is only escalating as Africa tries to reorganize itself, but has extremely difficult challenges in order to be able to increase this 2% and process data on the continent. Just the data center example just gives you, the reason as to why some of those challenges are so significant. So what's happening is that Africa, while the entrepreneurs are amazing, the ideas are incredible, the problems are so vast, minor and major in every single of the 54 countries and regions, we are coming up with solutions, African solutions to African problems using technology. But the problem is we are building our digital future on technological foundations that we do not control, and those technologies do not fully control us. They don't understand us. I had a conversation with Candace earlier this year, actually, and we were talking about this very issue. And this is what she had said to me at the time, that data is the new currency, data is the new gold, data is the new cobalt. It's so important that whoever owns the data will command and control the best terms, and they will dictate the direction of the world. And that's true. I've spent a lot of time after having left CNN talking about the importance of African storytelling. The fight is now in data sets, because whoever controls the data will control the story. And this is where you have foreign AI firms that can shape the narrative of a continent. One clear example would be manipulating election algorithms in a country, because you have data and you've x-rayed the country, and you understand the patterns and how things move and how to manipulate a certain scenario. So this is something that I think all of Africa is thinking about as to how do we address the challenge here of maintaining our own data and developing it in a way that is secure, that is ultimately profitable to us, and how do we share it across the continent, those 54 countries. So that I think is really critical to highlight. So Africa, essentially, having given you that backdrop, is facing, in my view, a triple threat, all right? And the triple threat is language, sovereignty, and trust. And I'd like to do a little bit of a deeper dive into this in the few minutes that I have. Language is the first and the easiest use of a tool that you can use in an AI world. You can use this as a weapon. I'll just give you a couple of examples here, right, that I was thinking about. How you can weaponize language in this AI tech context.